we're up at like way too early. We're getting ready to catch a flight to
Bruges,
Belgium, Brussels.
Brussels.
And then we got a car and we're gonna go to Bruges. Bruges, my favorite place. Yay.
All right.
We read actually.
I know. ABC.
Yeah, look at. Did you get the church behind you?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Another church. That's a big one. So we are in Oudenaarde, I think is how it's pronounced.
Brussels to Bruges, and we had a couple stops along the way.
This is our first one.
We have 2 stops, and this is a little town, and we're just looking around.
Yeah. Oh, look at that church.
ABC.
ABC.
Those architecture's just like Amsterdam front.
Right? It is. You can tell the difference, like the stair step one, and then yeah. So we're gonna walk around.
We're gonna walk around.
And we're gonna find some stuff to do.
To look at.
Yeah.
We're taking a nice walk. Get a drink, get food maybe.
Oh,
We're a little hungry,
we got a snack.
so we got a little snack. Look at that view behind you.
Oh wow.
It's no. I don't know how to say the name of this place. We'll figure it out later.
Oudenaarde. Oudenaarde.
I'll look on my phone in a minute.
So we got, it looks like a cannoli.
It looks like a lobster tail.
A lobster tail.
Is that what they're called?
I think so. Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
All right.
Turn it off so we can eat now. This is what I was looking for. Like now that we're not on the cruise, like it's just nice to relax without being rushed, like a time schedule.
We don't have to race back to the boat.
Even our driver said
Whenever.
whenever.
We have till 1 o'clock.
Okay. Snacks. That's a cool little boat.
Oh, that's cool.
But anyway.
Where's the rest of the tree?
I don't know.
They're missing the tops.
It's weird. Oudenaarde.
Oudenaarde.
Or yeah, we'll figure it out before we leave.
Oudenaarde?
How do you say it?
Oudenaarde.
Oudenaarde. Yeah.
Oudenaarde. I wish I could remember the
name of the place. Wait, I want to look it up. Here, Jim. I'm looking it up. It's for sale.
Or an office.
We can buy it. Jim would never finish it. You know, we'd never finish it. Jim wouldn't finish it. You know how many projects Jim starts and doesn't finish?
A lot.
A lot.
Are you, Valerie?
Oudenaarde. Oudenaarde.
Oudenaarde?
Belgium.
Oh.
Needs to be a pub.
Is that a pub?
No, but
What is that?
I don't know.
Just looks like an old piece of pub.
That needs to be your house, Jim.
It should be. I can be a troll. Wait, you live in the bell tower.
Park over there. I think I speak Dutch. I can read that.
You can read that?
Invasive plants.
You can read that?
I can read that. I think I know Dutch.
Uh-oh.
No, actually, you can read some words too, right?
Right. Ew. come to me, my feathered friends. Quack, 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 quack.
Hey.
Quack, 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 quack.
Oh,
You want to roll down the hill?
I was doing my opening act here. Okay. Welcome to Oudenaarde, Belgium. I think that's how you say it. Come with us. We're on a day trip, and this is one of the stops. Come on! Look at that bridge over there.
There's a bridge over there.
I need to go to it.
As long as there's no trolls, we should be fine.
Where are you?
Oudenaarde.
Okay, close enough.
Oudenaarde?
There's no old. Oudenaarde.
Something like that.
We saw a bridge in a park, and we're gonna go. The main attraction here. This is the main attraction. The old bridge. No, it's not the main attraction. I saw it from a distance.
Oh yeah.
That's dangerous.
Yeah.
Poke an eye out.
Ocean would not approve that.
Okay, let's get back into town. That is pretty, Jim.
I know. It's like what we call two-tone, but it's two separate types of buildings.
I like the bricks on the left.
I like the bricks on the right.
Okay, it knew and it like came to life, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
It's like everybody came out. Like, it's noon.
It's daytime. Get out.
Dominoes. Yeah. It is really cute. It's like what you would think a little quaint Belgium town would be. This would be cool when it's fixed. Look at that little place underneath it. Bet that's only open for dinner.
Probably.
That's so cool looking. Called for the ride. We're out of here. It's a cute town. An hour is all you need.
Yeah. We walked all the way around.
Don't miss the church. So you can get in, get out of your car, look at the church, get back in your car. No. Take a walk around the block.
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Go through the park.
Feed the ducks. Feed the ducks.
Jim's so funny. Want him to take me to poke. Stop for some poke bowls. You happy?
I'm happy.
What's the name of the city? Oh, we'll come back to you on that.
Yeah.
Very good. Lunch break. So we are now in Kortrijk.
Oh, you butchered that one up pretty good.
Butchered it up, sorry.
We'll figure this out.
That's cool.
I remember Kortrijk somewhere here in Belgium. We were gonna walk around. Yeah. That.
That church is cool. I know it's just another church.
ABC.
This sounds a little bigger than the last one, and there's actually a lot more stuff to do and see.
Yeah. Oh, the doggy's lazy. So this town is
Dutch.
It's Dutch.
Maybe.
But it's definitely bigger.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's nice. I like this one. I could see spending a couple hours maybe.
Oh yeah.
ABC. I'll send it to Vera.
That's cool.
You know that?
Yeah.
Tag Vera.
Let's go to.
I like it.
There's Valerie in Belgium. So we are in Kortrijk, Belgium.
Yeah, that's it. We finally figured it out. This one wasn't hard to figure out. But it's really cute here.
It is cute here.
It's a nice little walking town. Everything's really labeled good over here on the street.
It's not optimistic.
Kortrijk wide. And this is like everywhere you can go. Oh, look at this street. That is like the coolest thing. Let's go see where it
I
goes.
love how they put how long it takes to walk it.
Where?
On the red signs,
on
it
that
says
one.
1 minute to Winkle, Wander, Burt.
That's cool. I didn't notice that. Jim's always noticing things I don't. I have never seen a Tupperware store.
Me neither.
Ever.
That's neat.
Yeah, we're just,
We are in town.
we're just walking around, getting my steps in.
This is a good little town.
I'm gonna go straight up.
We missed the market.